Today we're going behind the scenes so you can see exactly how I take my photos from this to this. Stay tuned. Aloha everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Moorea with Moorea Thill Photography. I'm a professional photographer and videographer based in Maui, Hawaii. Everyone say hi to Chaluna and Taki's in the same spot as the last video. For the best advice on how to grow your photography business, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every single week when I make a new video. Today I'm showing you behind the scenes in my computer exactly how I edit my photos. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I am giving away my entire collection of presets to 3 lucky winners. All you have to do is give this video a thumbs up and comment your IG handle below. That way I can reach out to you in a DM if you win. The contest is going to end in 24 hours, and seeing as my channel is still pretty small right now, there's a really big chance that you could win. So make sure to enter below. Alright, let's get right into it. We're gonna hop over to my computer. Let's start off with photo number 1. This is the original photo that you guys are seeing right now, and this is the final photo. So if I go back, basically all I'm gonna do is come over here and I'm going to put my preset on this. It's super easy. So basically I'm gonna go over Maui Vibes 1, which is my favorite preset. It's also the free preset that I offer to all my viewers, so the link is in the description below. Everybody gets this preset for free. And so just right off the bat, it changes the colors, it changes the exposure, based on what I typically shoot the most. So looking here, I really like the start, but a few ways to make it better is I like to just drop the highlights just a tad, and then I'm gonna desaturate it a little bit, increase that vibrance a little bit. Let's see, it's a little too orange, so let's bump down the saturation on the orange a little and the yellow. And I typically, depending on the photo, it depends on how sharp I'll leave it, but I'm gonna bump both of these down because my ISO was at 250 for this, so I really don't need that much luminance on it. It's fine on its own. I always check remove chromatic aberration as well as enable profile correction. So this looks great. And now everybody is always curious how I get the sunset to be like so colorful and such a like bam in your face. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And what I use is the brush tool, and I have a custom brush tool that I've made for my sunsets, and it is always kind of changing depending on the day because every sunset is different, but I have a general brush that I use and then I tweak around that. So I press the brush tool and here we go. We're on orange and pink sunset, and I'm just going to brush this sunset. There we go. And you know, for the most part I just brush right over them, because then I go over here and I press erase, and I'm going to decrease the size of my brush and take it off of them. Go back to fit, take off the brush tool, and now I actually am going to change this brush just a little bit. Like I said, every sunset's different, so I'm normally just going for whatever I think looks the best. And this is our final product. I think it looks great. So now let's go ahead and export it. Depending on what you're exporting for is going to depend on your settings, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how I export for any type of professional work that's going to be hung on a wall or blown up larger. So I'm going to go File, Export, and then let's name this YouTube tutorial. And that's just the file it's gonna put it in, and then rename. I like to rename all of my photos to a little bit more of a descriptive, like this was taken at this beach by Maui Thill Photography kind of thing. But for right now, Maui Thill Photography 1 is fine, and since I want this to be full res, I'm gonna uncheck this. And the only reason why I ever have this checked is if it's for like blog, website work, whatever, and I want the file to be smaller so that it doesn't eat up a ton of bandwidth, I will check that box. And we want it to be JPEG, 300 pixels per centimeter, and it looks good. So now we just press export. I hope you guys are finding this tutorial helpful. If so, leave a comment below and let me know. And here you have it, one IG ready photo. In the description below, you're going to find a link to my free Lightroom preset for desktop and mobile. I'm also going to put the raw files to this example and the edited file in my store. So if you want to check out the raw file and use this on your own and try out the preset, you can practice on this file. And I'm also gifting away a free couples guide to posing. So if that interests you, you can have both of them. They're all on my store along with my full collection. So I want you to take these tools and I want you to get out there and start shooting today. And then I want you to head over to my private Facebook community and show me everything you create. On there, I also share a ton of information related to all things photography, including business and pretty much everything. So head over there and show me what you create. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share it with your fellow photographer friends. Oh, and don't forget about the contest. It will end in 24 hours, so comment your handle below. And that's it for today, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next week. Bye. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Me, 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 meow.